Hi friends, working out outdoors is one of my favorite things to do, and I love to travel, so I combine traveling and working out. So today we'll be doing breath work, and I'll follow Wim Hof Guided technique. I'll be doing 3 rounds of breath with 30 inhalations and exhalations and the breath hold at the bottom. You can uh, follow me and hold for as long as I do if you've been practicing it before, or do it at your pace, which I suggest that you start with 30 to 45 seconds hold at the bottom. You can increase as you go. Basically, once you do this 30 inhalations and exhalations, you hold at the bottom and you start breathing again when you feel that you absolutely need to make an inhale. So the first inhale after the hold is a 15-second hold at the top when you make that inhale, just like that. And you hold here for 15 seconds. Then you start your inhalations and exhalations one more time. This practice has a lot of health benefits, but I do it to release stress, get grounded. I just feel the energy flowing into my body and every cell of my body, and it's just wonderful practice to start your day with. So a lot of the times I run and do my cardio workout, and then I jump into this breath work. It's absolutely wonderful. I invite you to join me, and let's get started. Let's start with inhalations through your nose and exhalations through your mouth. Let all the air out. Push the air out. Hold your breath now until you feel the strong urge to breathe. Make a deep inhalation and hold at the top for 15 seconds. Exhale all the air out and start with your round 2. Inhalations and exhalations. All the air out. Let's get it started. You might be yawning, You might feel that your body temperature is changing. It's totally normal. You're doing great. Exhale all the air out and hold at the bottom for as long as you can. If you feel the urge to breathe before I guide you to do so, please do. You inhale and hold your breath at the top for 15 seconds. Inhale and hold at the top for 15 seconds. Here's your last round. Inhalations and exhalations. Let it all go. Deep inhale and strong, long exhale. Your belly is contracting, your fingers and your toes might be tingling, your temperature might be changing, but continue on, be present, it's your last round. Exhale all the air out and hold for as long as you can. If you need to make an inhale earlier, please do, and hold the breath for 15 seconds before you return to your normal breathing. Keep holding your breath, you're almost there. Inhale and hold for 15 seconds. Exhale all the air out and return to your normal breathing. Slowly start stretching your body. You can return to your normal breathing. Long inhalations and exhalations through your nose. And bring your arms up. Say thank you for this practice. Stretch. Say good morning to the sun. Stay healthy and stay beautiful. This was your breath and wellness coach Olia. I wish you a wonderful day, a beautiful life. Thank you for this practice with me. If you like this video, follow my channel. I do a lot of breath work and body workouts, so share these videos with friends and family. Give me comments, ask questions. You can type word energy in the comments, and I'm happy to start a conversation and answer your questions. Thank you.